Hey everyone, if you're running a small restaurant, a coffee shop, or even just hosting big family gatherings at home and ice is always running out, this Pro 22-inch commercial ice maker might be exactly what you need. I know how frustrating it is when you're in the middle of service and the ice bin is empty, so I put this machine through its paces to see if it actually keeps up with the demand. Link is in the description if you want to check the product details on Amazon. First off, the headline numbers are impressive: 450 pounds of ice in 24 hours and a 250-pound storage bin. That's enough to handle a busy weekend at a cafe or keep drinks cold for a backyard party without ever running dry. I ran it almost non-stop for a week, and it never missed a beat. The compressor kicks on quickly and stays quiet, which is a big deal when it's sitting in a small prep area. You can actually have a conversation nearby without raising your voice over the noise. The machine uses full cube ice, which is what most bars and restaurants prefer because it melts slower in drinks. It's ready to go in about 8 to 15 minutes, so even if you empty the bin completely, you're not waiting long for fresh ice. The stainless steel storage bin is large and easy to pull out, so scooping ice is quick and clean. I also like that the bin has a lid to keep dust and debris out, which is something cheaper machines often overlook. Setting it up was straightforward. Everything you need comes in the box, including the drain hose and power cord. The LCD panel is simple to use. You just set your ice production schedule and walk away. There's even an automatic cleaning cycle that runs every few days, so you don't have to worry about scale buildup or weird tastes in your ice. I ran the cleaning cycle once, and it took less than 30 minutes with almost no effort on my part. One thing to keep in mind is the size. This machine is big, about 22 inches wide and deep, so make sure you have the space for it. It also needs good airflow around the sides, so don't tuck it into a tight cabinet. The water connection is standard, but you'll need a dedicated water line if you don't want to keep refilling a reservoir. That's an extra step, but it's typical for commercial machines. For the price, it's solid value if you actually need that much ice. It's not cheap, but it's cheaper than buying ice bags every week or dealing with a machine that can't keep up. I've seen cheaper units break down after a few months, so the heavy-duty compressor and stainless construction feel worth it. Pros-wise, it's reliable, quiet for its size, and the ice quality is consistent. The storage bin is a nice bonus, and the automatic cleaning saves time. On the downside, it's large and heavy, so moving it isn't fun, and you do need a permanent spot with proper ventilation. If you're tired of running out of ice or constantly restocking bags, this machine is built to handle the workload. It's not a toy, it's a workhorse, but that's exactly what you want in a commercial setup. Check it out using the link below if it sounds like it fits your needs. For most buyers, the real question is not whether Pro 22-inch commercial ice maker machine 450 lbs/24H with 250-pound storage bin, Powerfull compressor, 182 full cube ice ready in 8 to 15 minutes, air-cooled, industrial ice machine for business sounds impressive on paper. But whether strengths like premium 450 lbs/24H Powerfull compressor are you worried about not an Powerfull and low noise compressor as the heart of the ice actually make daily use feel easier, more dependable, and more worthwhile after the first few days of excitement wear off. It is also smart to think about long-term satisfaction. A product like Pro 22-inch commercial ice maker machine 450 lbs/24H with 250-pound storage bin, Powerfull compressor, 182 full cube ice ready in 8 to 15 minutes, air-cooled. Industrial ice machine for business usually feels like the better buy when it stays convenient, comfortable, and reliable in normal everyday use instead of only looking good in the listing.